Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the new Amazon Vega OS. All I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Amazon has just announced its brand new operating system called Vega OS, and it's set to replace Android on select Fire TV devices. This is a big deal because for years, Fire TV devices have run on modified versions of Android, but now, Amazon is moving in a completely new direction. Vega OS is built on a Linux-based framework. This means Amazon is building its own independent platform, similar to what Roku has done for its system. By doing this, Amazon gains a lot more freedom and control over how Fire TV devices work, how apps are distributed, and how the user experience feels. Now, let's talk performance. Vega OS is designed to be faster, lighter, and more secure than previous Fire OS versions. You'll notice quicker boot times, smoother navigation, and better long-term stability, even on lower-end or older hardware. So in short, lower-cost Fire TV devices should feel snappier and last longer without bogging down over time. But there's a major trade-off. Because Vega OS is no longer Android-based, you can't sideload apps anymore. It doesn't use APKs, which means apps like Kodi or any other third-party APK installs won't work. Everything now goes through the Amazon App Store, so the experience will be more closed, but also more secure and streamlined. The Fire TV 4K Select is the very first device to ship with Vega OS. If you want to see it in action or pick one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, for anyone who currently owns an Amazon Fire TV stick or an Amazon Cube, don't worry, your current operating system will not be converted to Vega OS. Those will stay on the Android-based Fire OS. And Amazon says they'll continue receiving Android security patch updates. Amazon also confirmed that it'll keep releasing higher-end Fire TV models running Android. So going forward, we'll likely see a split. Lower-end, more affordable devices with Vega OS, and premium models sticking with Android OS. So what are the benefits? Well, Vega OS should make cheap Fire TVs faster, cleaner, and more efficient, with less bloat and better performance over time. And the downside? No sideloading, no APK installs, and fewer customization options. It's a more closed, app-only experience, which might turn off advanced users who love tweaking their setup. In the end, Vega OS represents Amazon taking full control of its ecosystem, just like Roku did. It's a smart move for simplicity and speed, but it definitely changes how much freedom users will have. If you're not a fan of the direction that Amazon is going towards and you're thinking of jumping ship and changing devices, then watch this video right here for a list of Amazon Fire TV Stick alternatives.